Hey, thanks for tuning in. Gonna be out fishing this morning in a cold front, heavy wind situation. I wouldn't know what to do if there wasn't a bunch of wind. But fishing's been a little tough up here last week or so. But I'm sure I can figure something out. Stay tuned. Good one here. That's a monster. I think I'm gonna see about a weight on this one. There's 3.26. It's a good spot. Anyway, nice one. On the trusty worm. So we've got the wind blowing hard again today. Cold front situation again, I guess. Man, seems like it's never ending. There we go. There we go. Hey. It's a nice chunky spot. Check out the orange eyes. So I'm finding these fish I'm back in a creek, but I'm kind of back in the coves off the main creek. Little points and flats. Out. I'm kind of back out of the wind a little bit because the wind is extremely, I mean, it's really blowing. And my little trolling motor just doesn't have the power. Bites are not easy to come by today either. Gonna have to, gotta work for them. fish. It's another fat chunk. Nice. Go. Another solid chunk. My dilemma is the wind is blowing so hard that I really should be using a heavier weight on my worm. But if I use a heavier weight, I get fewer bites. So it seems like these fish are starting to move into the more protected areas. They're looking at getting ready to spawn here at some point. Other than that one big one, I think it's mostly males I'm catching. Oh boy. It's a nice largemouth kicker. We'll weigh him, but I think he's about 3.5 maybe. My spot was bigger. It's 3 pounds, 3 ounces. Still a decent fish. Nice. Yeah, I'll take the kicker largemouth. Starting to put together a few fish. These conditions are tough though. This wind, man. this wind like this, a good, you know, good conditions for throwing a worm. I mean, a spinnerbait. But I just, you know, you got to throw what you got confidence in, and I know I can catch him with the worm. Some of these bass are still out on the points. Right now you got it. It's a little early for them to spawn, I think. I think they're mostly still pre-spawn. Took my worm. All right, thanks for tuning in. Wow, the wind just never stops. Got another big cold front. Even though it's not that cold, but it's a front. Heavy winds. It rained all yesterday and last night, but I managed a few fish. Thanks for tuning in. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back and fish with me next time.